Meal is served, honey. Ask him what he eating tonight. He better say you. Hey family, here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Today we are going to be transforming into a whole meal girl. But you know, in order to look like a meal, you gotta smell like one too. Who wants to be all musty, looking good, but smelling stank? My good girls, my good girls at Scentbird are sponsoring this video, honey. I live for perfumes and Scentbird allows me to smell expensive, honey. Smell like a meal, honey, for only $15 a month. I mean, yes, we over here smelling like Gucci guilty. And when you don't want to smell like Gucci guilty and you want to smell expensive, we have the Bulgari. Ooh, that even sounds expensive. I even feel expensive saying it. Omnia Crystalline. Let's get our back of the neck. Let's even get our head wrap. Yes. Scentbird allows you to try the most bougie high-end perfumes for only $14.95 a month. However, I'm sure they're gonna give me like a little 25% off link and you get to try your first round of scents for only $11.21 a month. Oh my, you get to try a designer scent, any designer scent of your choice for only $11.21. And these designer perfumes run for like $120 for that large bottle, and you can get it at a discount. They have enough sprays to last you an entire month. So I'm assuming spray it once, boom, boom. There's about 30 sprays in here. And the compact it comes in, boom, boom, twist up, boom, boom, back in, boom, boom, spray. It's cute for your purse. It's cute for your pocket. Why do I sound like such an ad? You can never go wrong smelling like a snack, or even better, a whole meal girl. They have scents for both men and women, okay? Scentbird is not discriminating around here, okay? So if you want to go ahead and check out Scentbird and smell like a snack on a budget, check my description box down below. There might be a discounted link, so you can go ahead and sign up for your first time at a discount. Y'all know I got you. For this tutorial, we will be transforming into a snackalicious meal. I kind of look like a turkey, some stuffing with a side of gravy, okay? Maybe some macaroni and cheese with bacon and breadcrumbs on top, okay? I'm using the BH Cosmetics palette collab with Sylvia Gani. I hope I said her name right. Gani. I feel like Gani sounds more bougie, more expensive, more designer. And her packaging for this palette collab, it's so expensive feeling and looking and designer. Like, yes, Sylvia, come through with the packaging. So without further congé, if you are interested in seeing me transform into a meal, a snack, an entree, a dessert, an appetizer, then subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads, and ensure when you tap that bell, you enable all notifications, including my creator posts. When you tap that bell, an option will pop up. Click on options. It will say all, occasional, or none. If you are on occasional and you are not getting my notifications, switch it to all, girl, I got you. And stay tuned. Keep on watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, this is the PR packaging of the palette collab. You open it up and voila! There's the palette. This is the sleeve of the palette, and this is the actual palette. The packaging is really nice. It feels really expensive, really bougie. For the first row, we have Wolf, Prince, Chanel, Obsessed, and S Club. For the second row, we have Ginger, Rosé, Goddess, Queen, and October. For the third row, we have Sisterhood, Self-Love, Wild Child, Independent, and Rebel. Lastly, we have Underrated, Bear, Hazel, Night Owl, and Apologetic. And for the two highlighters, we have Opal and Libra. Starting off, I'm going to take Prince with this Morphe M167 brush, and we're going to pack that onto our brow bone. And next I'm going to take a Chanel with this Morphe E17 brush, and that is going to be our transition shade. I'm just doing a light wash of this color, just dusting it ever so lightly into my crease and slightly into my brow bone. Next, I'm going to go into Ginger, which is a beautiful burnt orange shade, and I'm putting that directly into the crease, slightly below Chanel, and blending it right into Chanel. Alright, now we're going to go into Sisterhood with this BH Cosmetic Rose Gold Pencil Brush, and I'm placing that directly into the crease. So I'm just slowly building that up. The other eye that I did off camera is a little bit more vibrant, and I think that's because I still had a little bit of black shadow on that pencil brush, so it dulled down the red, but the red is more vibrant than you see on this eye. I just forgot to wipe down my brush, girl, like how could I? So I'm just placing that directly into the crease, and I'm also placing that onto the lash line and the outer corner. And we're keeping everything very soft for this look, so I'm going back and forth between blending with that Morphe E17 to keep the whole shadow look very soft, very diffused, and very defocused. And I'm also dragging Sisterhood onto my lower lash line and connecting it to the top outer corner. Alright, next we're going into Unapologetic. It is a black matte, and we are putting that just on the outer corner as well as the lash line. I'm dragging it down into the lash line and the lower lash line. So I'm starting off with a little bit of shadow at a time, and I'm going back and forth with an angled liner brush so I can get very close to my lash line, and I'm just trying to keep it very diffused, defocused, and very soft. I'm not adding too much black. I'm going back and forth and blending it out so it remains soft, and so I don't add too much black because I didn't want the look to be too dark. I wanted the outer corner to be just dark enough to make the eyes look sultry, honey, like a meal, honey. Alright, next we're going to go into Rosé. I'm taking this Morphe E19 brush, and I'm placing that in the inner half of my lid. All I did was mist my brush with a little bit of setting mist and then place the shimmer right on top. Now I'm going into Self-Love with the same brush, and I'm placing that in the center lid and diffusing it into a rosé so they marry together beautifully, and then just slightly blending out the edges into the outer corner. And now I'm just cleaning up my lash line, so I'm placing a little bit more black shadow right up close to my lash line, and then just perfecting it, making sure everything is blended, diffused, and defined to my liking. And we're just going to pop Rosé into the inner corner to complete the eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go ahead and dust off that bake that was on my face to catch the fallout. I'm applying these Nabutsum lashes. You can use code AHLIYAH20 to save some coin at checkout. To complete the face, I'm going to take the two highlighter shades, Libra and Opal, and I'm going to take a little bit of this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist just to moisten my face a little bit so the highlight appears wet. And I will say that the highlighters are a little too glittery for my liking. I mean, they look nice, they look gleaming, but just a little bit too glittery for me. I used mostly Libra, and I just did a dab of Opal because Libra was a little bit too orange of an highlight for my cheekbones, so I just wanted to lighten it up a tad with Opal. And this completes the look I created with the BH Cosmetics Sylvia Gani palette collab. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.